The universe can be imagined as a vast, limitless chamber filled with countless mysteries and priceless wonders. As we venture deeper into its expanse, it only grows more captivating and fascinating. The human brain possesses a deep-rooted drive to uncover the hidden truths of the cosmos. This inquisitiveness stems from the natural events we witness in our surroundings every day. Since the dawn of creation, humanity has paid attention to nature's countless gifts. From striking sparks between stones and feeling the warmth of fire to witness thunderclaps, lightning bolts, stormy nights, and the alternating cycles of day and night, the glowing sun, and shining moon, all have inspired awe. These marvels stir out thoughts and push us to learn more about them. The term physics originates from the Greek word that translates to knowledge of nature. It involves understanding the nature and characteristics of matter and energy and how they interrelate. Physics covers all forms of matter down to the smallest levels. It studies atoms and the minute particles that form each atom. On a larger scale, it includes celestial bodies such as planets, stars, and galaxies. It also encompasses energy in its various forms, including light, air, sound, magnetism, and gravity. In essence, physics is the exploration of naturally occurring elements, even those without physical form, that play a key role in the existence of the universe. Physics particularly aims to address the most basic and essential questions about the world around us. It can be described as a scientific discipline concerned with measurable physical properties. Therefore, physics is often regarded as the core and most essential branch of the natural science. Mathematics and physics share a strong bond. In fact, one could say math serves as the communication tool of physics. This connection helps us understand the science of physics more clearly. Values, units, and measurement systems, all mathematical in nature, are crucial for accurately expressing physical concepts. Physics consists of numerous branches, each focusing on various aspects of matter and energy across time and space. Acoustics explores sound and its waveforms. Astronomy delves into the mysteries of the universe. Astrophysics investigates the physical traits of celestial objects. Optics examines how light behaves, moves, and interacts with matter. Thermodynamics focuses on heat and its relationship with energy and work. Geophysics looks into the Earth's shape, layers, and inner structure, and atomic physics is a branch of physics that examines the structure, properties, and behavior of atoms. Besides these, physics include many more branches we will explore gradually. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our Get Skill Up channel for more educational info.